We have a little over 45 acres on this property. This is an immature coconut tree here with one of its larger cousins right behind it. That one even has coconuts on it right now. One of the issues that we are dealing with that we're going to have to take care of here in the near future is that this area has been experiencing droughts the last couple of years, and the trees are not overly happy about that. Irrigation is not really done all that much down here, and what we want to do is put in an agricultural well to allow us to be able to water the trees, and it'll also help us when we're watering the cacao. This is one of the yellow cashews here. We also have a number of trees like this big boy here that's laid down. These larger trees in the back, they're all a variety that's known as cabbage bark. It is an extremely beautiful, very, very hard tropical hardwood that is used a lot in construction, makes great decking, makes great siding, stuff like that. It's generally considered to be too tough to work on for a number of other applications. It's just a really, really hard wood. This is our pineapple group back here. Just one of the largest clusters of our pineapple plants right now. So the main thing that we are looking for right now is going to be funds to help clear out the underbrush in this back area here. We have roughly 1 acre that has been cleared as we've been walking through here. That is in cashews at the moment. And we have 44 acres of this, of jungle. We're not looking at clearing it. We're looking at removing underbrush so we can come in and plant in our cacao.